Welcome back to See My Review, the channel where we dive into the hottest drops and freshest finds. Today, I'm really hyped because we're unboxing one of the most iconic sneakers in history, the Jordan 4 Retro White Cement 2025. Just look at this box, clean, classic, and already giving off that retro vibe. Let's crack it open and take a look inside. This is sneaker art, people. The crisp summit white leather, those classic cement gray speckles, the black mesh, everything screams heritage. What I love about this 2025 edition is how Jordan brand went back to the original '89 cut. The toe box, the padded collar, the Nike Air on the heel. It's all perfectly recreated for true OG fans. Not only does it look amazing, if you're a true sneakerhead or fashion lover, kickclub.net is a site you need to check out. This premium online destination has built a solid reputation for offering top-tier sneakers and fashion essentials that blend style, quality, and value. Whether you're hunting for the latest Jordan releases, Yeezys, or timeless streetwear pieces, kickclub.net boasts a diverse and constantly updated product range to keep you ahead of the game. What really sets them apart is their guarantee of authenticity. Every item is verified to be 100% legit, so you can shop with confidence. Plus, their affordable prices make it easier than ever to step up your style without breaking the bank. On top of the incredible selection, kickclub.net offers a smooth and secure shopping experience. From easy-to-use navigation to safe payment options and fast worldwide shipping, everything is designed with the customer in mind. Their responsive customer support team is always ready to help, whether you have questions about sizing, shipping, or just want to get advice on your next pickup. For sneaker enthusiasts and style-conscious shoppers, this site is more than just a store. It's a reliable and trusted hub for all things fashion. If you're watching this video because you're serious about your kicks, then kickclub.net should definitely be on your radar. But the materials feel super premium and built to last. Whether you're wearing them out or putting them on display, this pair is a must-have. If you're looking to cop a pair of these legendary kicks, you're in luck. There's a website that's currently running a special sale on the Jordan 4 Retro White Cement 2025. It's super easy. Just click the link in the description below. I've also included their contact numbers, social media accounts, and all other useful links.